I love coming to work every single day. I love staying here. I want to make sure everything gets done. Everyone's happy. And again, it's the people that motivates me to come to work.
There's so many wonderful people, very supportive. You always work as a team here and you never feel alone. And we are all trying to solve the problems together.
Coming here, like it was a totally innovative technology that people are solving problems that nobody else has solved before.
Everyone works as a team. Without the scientist, engineer, our manager, like our main goal is to get a good product out.
So I felt like anxious about joining at first, and then when I started, like I was immediately impressed by all the teammates. They were like immediately trying to help me out.
So I believe that people are selected to work here, not only because of their skills, but also because of their ability to work with other people and be kind.
After researching and seeing what the company was about, I was really excited to get on board and become part of something big.
Seurat was building the tool for other engineers around the world to solve their other complex problems.
To just sum it up, it would just be like everybody is very real.